Welcome to Preschool Summer Reading. Adventure begins at your library for July 22nd, 2024, Part 2. Astro Girl by Ken Wilson Max. Astrid had loved the stars and space ever since she could remember. I want to be an astronaut, Astrid told her best friend Jake as they gazed up at the stars. Will you bring me an asteroid when you come back from space? Asked Jake. Of course I will, Jakey. I want to be an astronaut, Astrid said at breakfast. Are you sure? Papa asked. You'll have to go round and round the Earth in your spaceship. He swung her around. I can do that, Astrid said, giggling. What about eating food out of a tube or a package every day? I can do that, Astrid said as she munched a cereal bar. Okay, Astro Girl, you'll also have to get used to zero gravity. Papa threw her up in the air. I can do that all day long, Astrid laughed. What about all the science experiments? Asked Papa. Could you do those, my brave explorer? No problem, said Astrid as they made rocket ship cookies. Will a space cadet like you be able to sleep on your own among the stars? Papa asked. I think that will be very hard, but I'll do it, Astrid whispered. At last it was time to go get Mama. Astrid wore her favorite space t-shirt. At the Space Center, Astrid and her papa moved to the front of the crowd just as the doors opened. Mama! Astrid gave her mama a big kiss. I missed you, said Astrid. I want to be an astronaut just like you, said Astrid. You're my hero. Astrid has learned a lot about being an astronaut. The word astronaut comes from two Greek words, astron meaning star and nautes meaning sailor. American astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin were the first to land on the moon in the lunar module Eagle on July 20th, 1969. The first animal to go into orbit was a dog named Laika on the Russian Sputnik 2 spacecraft on November 3rd, 1957. Valentina Tereshkova from Russia was the first woman in space in 1963. Shannon Lucid from the United States set a record for the longest time spent in space by a woman, 188 days, in 1996. May Carol Jemison was the first African-American woman in space in 1982. Helen Sharman was the first British astronaut and the first woman to visit the Mir space station in 1991. Kalpana Chawla was the first woman born in India to go to space in 1997. Space food is freeze-dried so it won't spill and cause any damage to machines. Fruit, bread, and nuts are okay as they are. Astronauts train underwater to create the feeling of floating in space. The end. Alright, we're going to make an astronaut flying around a planet. Aircraft to go kit includes a paper plate, which is going to be the planet. Some marbles, which is how we're going to paint the paper plate with the marbles. An astronaut. And a pipe cleaner. And what we're going to do, it's up to you if you want to color the astronaut or not. I'm just going to leave mine white. What you'll need is a tray to paint in. We're going to put the paper plate inside the tray and the marbles on the paper plate. You'll need some paints. I got red, blue, and yellow. There's yellow, there's red. And you'll need a piece of duct tape. Actually, 2 pieces. So what we're going to do first, get this stuff out of the way. We're going to paint the plate. So what we have to do, I haven't used this blue yet. because it's black. Okay, well, hold on, let me go get blue. Okay, I got my blue. We're just gonna put a couple dots of paint on the planet, the plate planet. A couple dots of red. And then we're gonna roll the marbles through. The hardest part is gonna be to keep it on the plate. Now you can roll it, hold the plate up. Make sure you have paper towels nearby because you're gonna be touching these marbles every now and then. But do it until you get it the way you like it. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, let me move the tray out of the way. Get my paper towel and wipe my fingers. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna tape the astronaut onto the plate like he's flying around the outside, or he or she. So I'm gonna get my duct tape. Peel that off. Put it on the chenille stem, the pipe cleaner, and stick it to the back of the plate. Make sure you don't push the paint down into the so that should be that. Then we're gonna glue the, I'm gonna bend this around a little bit. We're gonna tape the astronaut to the other end of the pipe cleaner. And this is how it looks. He's flying away from the planet. And that's all.